This is the Iron Trader. The pits just closed here about 15 minutes ago. So as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, daily chart. Now the rig count came out and they dropped one rig on crude and 6 rigs on natural gas. Not really a big effect either way. Okay, here we have the old daily chart. All right, so let's take a look here. Your price channels. Okay, your top 75.06, your bottom 66.80. You're pretty much right dead center of it. Okay, so let's just do a little review here. Basically, off of this candle here, which I pointed out, you got 66.82. You have a really nice support level going right here. Okay, so it's sold down, and you made it like a little bit lower low here at 67.05 compared to these candles here at 67.35 and 67.15. But it's kind of rallying right on up. And I've been pointing out here, the key is going to be this 8 SMA here now, 69.83, and the 21 day. Now you notice that it rallied up and closed above. So now these become your support levels. Okay, so that's what you have to watch. Now, again, if that is lost, then we do is we look to the bottom of today's candle, 69.53, yesterday's candle, 68.93. And then what we do is we just keep working our way on down. So we have 68.14, and then we have this candle right here, which is 67.05, and then your big retest, 66.80. Now, if that is lost, then we look to the left of the chart here. You got 65.65. You got 64.36, your big retest, 63.64. But your support levels, you can look right here. See, they're holding up really nice. Now, upside, that's the key. See, you have a high, lower high. What is this going to do? The key to this upside is going to be this 50 SMA right there at 71.80. Is it going to blow through, or is it going to come right on down and, retest the bottom of that channel again? Okay, so if it goes through, then you want to look to the top of this candle here. That's sitting at 72.03. We have 72.38, and then you look to the top of that candle sitting at 72.65. If you can get a close above this top of the candle, then we look to the 100 SMA here at 74.09, and then we have your price channel there sitting at 75.06. Okay, now if it can't, then get above this 8 SMA, then she will just watch this key 21, watch this key 8 SMA here for your support areas there on Monday. And if it's lost, just follow the bottom of these candles all the way on down until you get the big retest here at 66.80. All right, let's take a look here on your weekly and on your monthly. All right, your monthly, nothing's changed. You got the bottom there is your 50 SMA, your top there is your 200 SMA, your candlestick right in dead center. If you can go higher, there you go, 75.94, that's the target. Now, weekly chart here, you're holding this key 200 SMA here, now at 67.53, very nicely. But if you look at this 8 SMA. You went right into it, and so far you can't close above. Now, if you can close above, then we look at this candle here, 72.03. Look at here, 72.72, and then we look at the 21 day sitting at 74.23. Obviously, if you get above that 21 day, then we have 79.96 sitting right above there, okay? But the key is a big but here is watch this key 21, watch this 8 SMA. See how you rallied up? But so far, not so good. Okay, so let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, natty gas. You had a real nice day here with the natty, your hourly chart, your 4-hour chart. Now, you went sideways, you rallied up, and then it came right on down. But if you look here on this candle here, okay, we have a nice bottom here sitting at 2.61. And then what we did is when it sold back down, it made a higher low, 2.63. That's always very bullish, and pow, there she rallies. Now, your today's high here, you're sitting there at 2.82. If it keeps rallying, you always want to watch this key 2.87. That is going to be the key. Okay, same way at the 4-hour chart. I pointed out this morning where you're making this series of higher lows. That's always good. See, higher lows. Now, it held this and made a nice double bottom right there. Now your target is going to be 2.87. Okay, so if we can get above that, then we got 3.02. So we'll show you that there on the old daily chart. Okay, daily chart. Here's your price channels. Okay, so basically you got, clear that up a little bit. There you go. 2.878 on the top and 2.136 there on the bottom. Now, we had three really nice green days going into the contract roll, sideways action, and then it closed down. However, watch this 8 SMA. See how important this is? See, you're holding that key 8 SMA. Even when it sold down, look at how many times it held this 8 SMA all the way on up. Now, if that 8 SMA is lost, then we look over here to the 21 day. Okay, now you're sitting at 2.47, but it's rising up here nice. And then you're 2.37 and another 2.37 on your 8 or 50 SMA and your 100 SMA pretty much glued together. But your 21 day is rising, your 8 day already rose, so that's all looking pretty good. Now you want to watch this key level right there at 2.87. If you can get above that, here's a target on this candle right here, 3.027. That will be your target. So let's take a look here on your weekly and your monthly. Okay, weekly chart. Now, if you've been watching, bullish cross here. When the 8 SMA crosses above that 21, that's always a bullish sign. So you got 2.48 there, and then your 21 is 2.39. Very, very bullish, and now she's rallying up nice. But got to watch that price channel, 3.02. Okay, that's that candle right there. That's where she's going to go in target. That is the big upside target. Now, again, if you can break higher, then we always look to the monthly chart here, and you want to look at this 100 SMA. Okay, so you're sitting at 3.25. That would be next. Okay, and then what we have here is your 50 SMA here, sitting at 3.68. And then the big boy that I'd be looking for here would be 3.75. So on the upside, just watch the key SMAs, and then watch on the downside your 21 and your 8 SMA that just crossed over. All right, I tell you what, now Sunday night, I'll have the crude oil and natural gas for you to get you ready for Monday. And then remember, next week is the 4th of July holiday, so Tuesday will be off, but we still make some money there on Monday. All right, thanks for watching.